In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the document inspector in Microsoft Excel. So we're going to go over to our Contoso Employee IDs file. This is from lesson 11, if you're in my class. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go to, in the info area, we're going to go to Check for Issues button. And we're going to inspect the document. So check for issues, inspect document. And we're just going to leave our check marks in all these. It really doesn't matter. It's just going to take the time to look for all these things. So we're going to click inspect, see what it comes back with. And in several places, it suggests that we remove all, depending on the information. So the ones it recommends, comments and annotations. So if you have a document with comments in it where you've shared it with people and they've applied comments, you may want to take those out before you send it out to everybody in your company or publish it to the web, whatever. Another smart thing to take out if you're going to publish this to the web or distribute it to a bunch of people, and you don't necessarily want your name attached to it, is to remove personal information and document properties. That way it takes the author out, it takes the who last modified it out, and that kind of thing. You can also take out headers and footers. You can take out hidden rows and columns. You can take out hidden worksheets. We're not going to mess with that. We're just going to do the first two. So remove all, and then personal information, document properties, and personal information, remove all. Then we're going to click reinspect. And see, now those don't show up. The ones at the bottom should show up. Let's close this. Let's check for issues again. Inspect document. Sure you save your document. Yes. Okay. So those things pop back up. Let's reinspect. The items here at the bottom still show up, but the ones at the top, we took those out. No items were found. No document properties or personal information was found. So those are now clear. We can close that, and then you save it, and that's gone. So that's an easy way to take out sensitive information or stuff that, maybe you've collaborated on something and you want to take those comments out quickly before you share it. But that's all there is to it.